What's up, guys? So welcome to my Leetcode solving section. This is called the deepest leaf sum. So basically, someone give you a binary tree, then you return a sum value of the deepest leaf. So the deepest for this example one is 7 and 8. Basically, you just output 15. And this can be solved by if you know another solution. I think I suggest that basically you go to my YouTube channel and you search for this one. This is called binary tree level order. So if you give a tree, then you can use this. If you can solve this, then you can return a list. Basically, start from level 1, level 2, and level 3. Okay, so suppose you can solve this question, then it's very easy that you just since the level order will give you the different level, and all you want is the deepest leaf sum. So you just sum of this final. So you just take the this output list and then you return the sum of the final element. The final element is just a list. It's also not a list. Then you just return. Okay, so basically okay, so let me first recall how to solve this problem. So basically, if you start from so this rest is the answer. So first you start from empty list. If the root is none, then you usually just return the empty list. Then otherwise you first return the roots. So roots is 3, right? If the length is not empty, then you and your rest should append all the children of this queue, all the children in the roots. And finally, you build another queue, at least another. You build another list, at least another list. Basically, will collect its children. So if the node left is now empty, then this will append its children. If the right is also now empty, then it will also append its children. Then finally, you update a new queue to queue. So basically, you start from 3, and then 3 appends children 9 and 20, and then 9, and the next it will be another list which appends 9, 20, all the children of 9, 20, and then finally you return this answer. Okay, so basically, suppose you can solve this level order, then you just copy all the level order code into this part. So you have this level order. And it's very easy that you just use the level order and the sum of the final elements, because the final element is the deepest level. So you return sum of them. Basically, you just return sum of the deepest leaf. Okay, so this is very very fast solution, and then it also takes not very large memory. Okay. And I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.